guys, it's me Anne from Geeks of Green, and today I will talk to you about how to keep yourselves busy in the lockdown situation with fun gardening activities. Before I get into the video, I would like to invite you to follow me on Instagram for plant tips, updates, information and loads of planty talk. So let's dive in and see how to keep ourselves busy and optimistic during this coronavirus lockdown. With the shortage of supplies, it is always good to have our own kitchen or herb garden. Grow your own herbs from seeds like coriander, fenugreek, mustard that you would find in your kitchen. Use seeds from vegetables that you buy like chilies, lemon, tomatoes and brinjal. You can grow microgreens easily to add to your salads and smoothies, again using pulses and seeds that you find in the kitchen. You can also grow simply any vegetable from scraps in the kitchen like mint, potatoes, carrot, lettuce. The list is never ending. There are a million things you can make from things lying around your house. In the last week, I started a 7-day video series on Instagram that shows how to use things at home to make something useful for your garden. Go and check that out for ideas and inspiration. Get your creative juices flowing and use the time you have to make something useful and lovely for your garden. Clean up the garden, move the pots, wash the floor, get the pot plates out and wash them. Get rid of cobwebs and freshen your indoor garden. When you get your hands into it, you will probably realize how much cleaning needed to be done. Groom the plants, they need it and they will appreciate a little love and care. Clean the leaves, pluck out yellowing dried leaves. If you want to know how to make your plants stunning, watch my video on grooming plants to know more. Add design elements, shift around pots, make beautiful setups to add zing to your daily life and to keep the boredom away. You can use figurines, paint old pots, use rugs or think creatively with the things that you have lying around your house. Repurpose things you are planning to throw away. Optimize the design of your balcony or plant display. You can always buy art for your walls, but making it yourself or doing it with your children is a beautiful way to express yourself and also bring out your creativity. Try your hands with paints. You never know, you may realize and find a hidden talent. If you don't have paints, you can use sketch pens or crayons that belong to your children or probably a neighboring kid. Making your own artwork for your walls is a satisfying experience in itself. Repot plants with soil you already have. Reuse soil as you can sterilize it by microwaving it or steaming it. I usually microwave my soil if I'm reusing it to kill any pests or larvae that would be in the soil. If you want to start a garden and have no soil with you, then you should either borrow it from your society premises or from some neighbor and do it in a safe manner, of course. Sterilize the soil so that you don't bring in pests. I recently saw a post on Instagram where amateur plant lady took cuttings from her building premises and propagated them. You can do that if your society allows you to. Take necessary permissions too. This is one way to get new cuttings. You can also get cuttings from neighbors who keep plants. Swap plants with them. I'm sure they will gladly do it. However, practice social distancing and take necessary precautions while exchanging plants. This is the best time to propagate plants you have, and you can make new plants that you can give to those who you love, or you can fill up empty spaces in your balcony. Water propagate or propagate by division. As you may not be able to buy fertilizers from the nursery in this duration, make your own using kitchen scraps. All you need is a bucket or a terracotta pot and a lid to keep the composting bin covered. Then you add in layers of dry leaves and kitchen scraps to make your own homemade compost. I will in the future make a video on composting at home. I hope you all stay at home, stay safe and keep gardening and keep making the best use of time in this difficult time. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and also follow us on Instagram for closer interactions. Do subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications of future videos. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Do stay safe and stay green.